Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boost collagen and repair your body for longevity. We'll dive into practical steps you can take right away. First, we'll explore key dietary components that are essential for collagen synthesis. Then, we'll discuss important lifestyle adjustments that significantly impact your body's repair mechanisms. Finally, we'll touch on effective supplements and overall strategies to help you maintain a vibrant, healthy body for years to come. Let's get started on enhancing your natural resilience. To naturally boost collagen, focus on your diet. Vitamin C is absolutely vital, so ensure you're getting at least 75 milligrams daily from sources like citrus fruits and bell peppers. Your body also needs ample protein, providing the amino acids necessary for collagen production. Think lean meats, fish, and legumes. Don't forget trace minerals like zinc and copper, found in nuts and seeds, which play a key role. Finally, a diet rich in antioxidants helps protect your existing collagen from environmental stressors. Beyond diet, lifestyle choices significantly impact collagen and repair. Prioritize quality sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night, as this is when your body does most of its repair work. Effective stress management is also key, as chronic stress can accelerate collagen degradation. For additional support, consider supplements like collagen peptides, which provide readily available building blocks. Also, protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure is crucial, as UV radiation is a major factor in collagen damage and premature aging. For comprehensive body repair and longevity, integrate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise boosts circulation, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen for cellular regeneration. Staying well hydrated is also fundamental. Water is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and lubricating your joints. Mindful eating practices, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, support a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn influences systemic repair. Lastly, keep your mind active with new challenges to support cognitive function and overall well-being as you age.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.